There.
Special delivery.
Look right here.
Yeah, don't. You want to look. You want to look in here.
Special delivery. I wonder what it is. It's for the Starmer. You're looking at me. Bring it in.
Who could have sent us something? I think it is
Holy
an
cow.
admirer.
Maybe it's just a viewer. Okay, we'll take it as our first admirer.
Okay. So let's see what it is.
All right,
From
it is from
Urban Stems. Well,
Urban
who is it from?
Stems.
From?
I think there's a label right there. Or maybe it's on my side.
Chloe, who is the lady who sent this special package from Alan Tate?
So funny to put that on.
Okay. It's from Kelly Smith, one of our viewers from Alan Tate.
Not a viewer.
It is a viewer.
It's not a viewer.
One of our admirers in South Carolina.
Yes.
Thank you, Kelly.
Muchas
Thank you,
gracias.
Alan Tate.
Yes, thank
see
you.
what it is.
Let's see what it is. All right, bubble wrap. And, oh my God, it's an air plant.
Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely
Very
beautiful.
cool. Here, you hold this.
No,
Oh,
that's
you
so
want-
cute. Oh, look, guys, this is adorable. Look at him. He's
Oh
so
my goodness. Let me
cute.
put this in there.
Oh,
Beautiful.
that's a cutie. Can you see?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Alan Tate. Thank you, Kelly. Bye.
See you, South Carolina. What you see behind me, partially, peek, is our pantry. It's a freaking mess. The family voted and we, the Starmers, are going to let you guys see how messy it starts off at. As you can see, it's boxes and bags, very few clear things to hold stuff so you can actually see what you have. Our main reason for doing this is for organization. You do this, I'll tell you what, you end up eating too much, you end up throwing away too much because you don't know how old it is or it goes bad, and then you also don't know what you have. So then you go buy more. Well, we're gonna stop the insanity here. We're gonna clean this baby out. You'll see how much crap we actually have in here, probably a freaking pod. I'm gonna have to rent a pod to put all my food in so I can clean this and paint it. So join me, and I think it'll just be me. I don't think Chloe's with me today, so it'll just be me doing all the hard work. Sit up, sit in your chair, put your feet up, and watch me do my pantry. Time to get up and personal with our pantry. You'll notice some baskets here. A couple years we stored some potatoes in those. Now we're storing rolled up potato chip bags. For a long time we put, oh, look at that. There is a sweet potato hiding. What is that? Oh my God, it's a beautiful cutting board. That's what happens when the organization of your pantry is not up to snuff. Usually half the stuff you're gonna open up and put a chip clip on, or you're gonna put a, you just keep it in its same old box and then it goes bad and you really just don't know what you have. Like here, look at those half-eaten crackers from my daughter who just left. There's a shout out to my New York friends who sent me some Indian candy. It tastes nothing like candy. That stuff does. That stuff does not. The proportionate amount of cereals and crunchy things in plastic containers that you can see, which works out well. But we also have a total mess behind us. Let's get busy. Look at this, folks. Dates, people. I took this out, thought it was good. Guess what? 3 years old. 3 years old. It's only powder, but it was 3 years old. This is ridiculous. Right, I told you guys we're cleaning it out. It is a full clean and a full repaint. So do not put paint over all this muck on your shelves. We're going to be vacuuming ours out before we do the painting.
Okay, today's the day to get everything off of our counter and put it back into the pantry. So to save some time while the paint was drying, I went ahead and bought a few containers on Amazon, got them in and put everything in them. This one is a OXO container, which is great because you just pop it open and you can pour out some nuts right before you go to bed or if you need an afternoon snack. These are fabulous. Our family loves cereal, and so these are also, well, these are just another brand that I picked up at Marshall's, but it also has the cereal opener. It can not hold a full box of cereal, but it did hold almost a full box of cereal. And I bought about 12 of these. They're all about $7.99, and they're gonna go straight across and hold all the cereals. These particular containers were just picked up at the dollar store yesterday, and they go ahead and they hold any kind of like soup mixes or spices that you would need in flat packages. This one is anything to do with baking. So you're gonna have some chocolate mix. You're also going to have some basic cornstarch, maybe for your banana puddings, jellos, anything that you would have if you go to bake. Then I also bought some other baskets, and they just hold your snacks. One of the things that I would suggest when you take everything out of your pantry is to put everything kind of together what it belongs to. So I put all the cereals together way over there in the dining room. And then over here on top of the sink, I put everything that you would need for pasta night. So there's about 4 or 5 different pastas, all in different containers, and then all of the sauces, etc. That way when you go to put everything back into the pantry, it's all grouped together and you're not looking around, because if you do put everything on the shelf and you move to the next side of the shelf and it's already packed out, well then you have a problem once you find about 3 new containers that you never knew you had. We have finished the pantry. It's completely painted. We went ahead and put a fan in there to dry, which is a little note, little tip. Anyway, Beezers and I are ready to go ahead and put some stuff in there. I think the best way to tackle this is just going to be trial and error. We have varying heights between the pantry shelves, and we also have varying depths. We also got rid of a bunch of hanging aprons that I've either gotten from family members or estate sales, and they're really cute, but we had like 12.
Yes, I know. All those other videos of people printing out fancy labels and stuff like that. This is Starmering tip number 107. Just cut the label off and put it right in the jar. That way you can tell what these things are 6 months from now, after you've forgotten. Found the perfect place for our dog and cat food, and these are actually the perfect containers. There'll be a link on the bottom if you guys would like to find them and use them too. This is cool. Christina,
What?
that's not what the pantry's for.
Yes, it is. And I get to see my cereals, and I chose Apple Jacks.
My pantry's finished, my pantry's finished. It's all done, it's got clear boxes. All right, y'all. We have been using this pantry for about a week, and we wanted to tell you some of the things we absolutely adore about it and some of our favorites. So Chloe, as usual, phoned it in because she's not here with us videoing. She said her favorite was this little ditty up here, the paper bag holder of all things. Go figure.
Jeff?
My favorite would probably be the fact that we actually, not we, she always knew, but I didn't know where things were and was always maybe going out and getting a few more things than what I needed. Not happening anymore.
BB's, what was your favorite thing?
Christina, what's your fave? What's your favorite change of this?
Cereal boxes.
Need no words. Well, since you were the one that went out or went online and ordered all the containers, what kind of investment is that?
I think I spent about $150 to $200 on containers, $50 on paint.
If you get wire shelves.
Yeah.
Christina's casing, in case she runs out of this, because she goes through it like crazy. You know it. After she gets done with her high intensity training, she comes in here and goes through that like just gravy. In the end, we absolutely adore it. You know what? Worth the time and money spent, for sure.
Who sent the shit from
Is that crazy? Cameos of different people.
Anywho.
Let's just call it an admire. And oh my God, my hair is terrible. And I have this lady with me. Chloe's not working today. She's just stopped.
She was
doing videos.
fired.
That's rough. And then you guys go, see ya. Everybody wants to do this.
I don't know about everybody.
That's as good as you're gonna get from me.
Peace out.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.